Ignik!
Sustainable outdoor heat. A campfire is the gathering point for warmth, socializing, and cooking on any camp trip. Unfortunately, with the increased presence of wildfires, burn bans have become commonplace, limiting where and when we can enjoy a campfire's glow. In fact, wildfires destroy an average of 6 million acres of land in the U.S. each year and account for about 20% of the global carbon emissions. The Ignik 2-in-1 heater stove goes where a campfire can't, providing safe, reliable outdoor heat and cooking. The 2-in-1 heater stove brings 10,000 BTUs of adjustable heat to the party, radiating with a 360-degree pattern. With a built-in igniter, turn the dial and you're ready to go. The heavy-duty cast cooktop allows you to cook a feast for your friends, just like you would on your camp stove or over an open flame. Featuring an anti-tipping cutoff switch provides added safety for your family and the forest. The timeless spring steel handle makes transport a cinch. Replacing two devices with one, the heater stove is compact, lightweight, and sure to be the center point of any outing. Pairs seamlessly with Ignik's Gas Growler and Gas Growler Deluxe. It includes everything you need to start heating or cooking today. Perfect for camping, hunting, fishing, and tailgating. No campfire, no problem. The 2-in-1 heater stove by Ignik, your portable campfire burn ban solution.